welcome to our sound safari. Are you ready to make some animal sounds?